Let's make crispy fried chicken, homemade KFC style fried chicken drumsticks. 900 grams chicken drumsticks. Make deep cuts in chicken leg pieces. 2 teaspoons soya sauce, 2 teaspoons red chilli sauce, 2 teaspoons green chilli sauce, half lemon, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all ingredients well. 2 cups wheat flour, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix it well. Then coat chicken drumsticks in flour. Coating helps to brown the food and provides a crunchy layer. Take a bowl, add some chilled water. Then dip the coated chicken in chilled water. Then coat chicken in flour. Then deep fry on slow flame for 10 minutes both sides. Crunchy and tasty crispy fried chicken is ready. Enjoy with tomato sauce. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.